So is Agentforce actually worth the hype? We will see in this video, because everyone in Salesforce community have heard about Agentforce and AI automation, but from my experience, a lot of Salesforce admins actually don't use it, even if they have Agentforce connected to their Salesforce. And today I want to fix that by showing you some of the very great examples of how can you use Agentforce to make your life easier as a Salesforce admin. And before I begin this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button not to miss any useful information that we share here every single week for the Salesforce community. And now let's get on into the video. So in this video, I want to show you how Agentforce can help you to work with cases. So let's open up Agentforce and type in a prompt of finding all of the cases with high priority created this week. This video is not sped up or cut, so you can see that Agentforce very fast finds all of the answers. So now I can type in the next prompt, which will be which cases are currently assigned to me, so you can see all of the cases that are assigned to your user. Now I want to see all of the escalated cases, so I can again just type in within the chat and Agentforce finds all of the data. So within only a few seconds and 3 simple prompts, you can see high priority escalated cases created this week and assigned to your user. And if you want to see the details of the specific case, you can just type in again the prompt for the Agentforce to share the details of the case, and you can look through it very fast and to understand what this case is about. So as you can see, you can very fast search for the specific types of cases within Agentforce, but now I want to focus on using Agentforce to get the specific details of specific cases. So for example, you can ask what is the current status and priority of a specific case, or for example, who owns a specific case. Another great thing that you can do with Agentforce is to ask it to summarize a specific case, so you have a summary that you can go through much faster than going through all of the details of the case. And there are a few types of getting a summary, so you can get a broad summary, a short summary of a case, or for example you can ask to summarize the customer issue related to the case and the actions already taken. So there's different prompts that you can type in to get the results that you're most interested in. Now let's try something else and ask Agentforce to extract the customer's name, product, issue type, priority, and requested action from this case description, so you get more in-depth details. And the next step will be to identify key issues and any mentioned error messages from the case. And to work even more effectively with the case, we can also ask to extract all important dates, products, and customer names from the case description. But with Agentforce, you don't only get the details, you can actually ask Agentforce to perform actions for you. So for example, you can ask to update a case and change the priority to high, or set the status of the case to working. And if you open up this case in Salesforce and reload the page, you can actually see that Agentforce performs actions for you, and it can actually update or set statuses. And another use case is, for example, updating the case description in a specific case by, for example, adding that the customer confirmed the issue is reproducible. So you can type in this prompt into Agentforce and it will update the description for you. Again, so you don't have to do anything manually. And as you can see on the screen, you don't have to be worried that you typed something wrong within the prompt, because every time Agentforce actually has to perform an action, it asks you to confirm that it can perform it. And we're moving on to the last use case of working with Agentforce with cases. So instead of making proper reports, you can quickly ask about some of the numbers Agentforce. So for example, you can ask how many open cases do we currently have, how many high priority cases are there, how many cases were created today, or how many cases are assigned to me. So as you can see, Agentforce can actually be helpful in a lot of ways. And if you're looking for a reliable Salesforce partner that can help to set up Agentforce for your business or create any custom building of integrations or other things on top of Salesforce, well, then it's time to contact PickLogic. You can visit our website or find a link to our Calendly in the description down below. And if you found this video useful, please make sure to subscribe, because we're planning to make a whole playlist about Agentforce helping Salesforce admins and Salesforce development, showing different use cases and not only about Agentforce, but also all things Salesforce will be on this channel. So make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next week's video.